Hey everybody, Kevin Smolin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies, bringing you another video training. Today, what we are going to be talking about is just another way to generate business on Facebook. So we're going to be talking about how to get more referrals from your past clients, how to market that opportunity a little bit better, just with a little bit of strategic planning and using some basic marketing principles. So that's what we're going to be covering today. What you're seeing is a screenshot of a page. If you've watched my videos in the past, you'll know that I'm not a licensed agent, and I just use this page for training, just to show various things. So today, again, our focus is showing you how to generate more, how to be generating more referrals from transactions that you've done. So the concept that makes this work, right? A couple things. So number one of the basic business fundamentals is that birds of a feather flock together. So meaning like attracts like. So I promise you, first-time homebuyers know other first-time homebuyers, and investors know other investors, and empty nesters know other empty nesters, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And so this whole principle is helping you tap into the contacts that your friends, that friends of your friends have, right? So being able to tap into those friends of friends and get more referrals, and then also demonstrating a principle that I call evidence of success. So people like to work with agents that they see that are active, that are busy, that are successful, that get people results. And part of that just comes through some repetition and showing people how you work with them and the results that you're getting. And so what we're able to do with this kind of an ad is we are able to do both of those. So the strategy is, what you're going to do is you're going to come into your page, and you're going to click on this photo video. You're going to upload a photo of you and the person that you just closed with. So at the closing table, quite often it's common practice for you to take a picture of, you know, the people that you that just signed the papers, and everybody's excited and smiling, and it's a great photo opportunity, right? So if you're not doing that, highly recommend it. But aside from that, the great thing about it is that you're able to use this opportunity. So I'm just going to, in fact, let me just find a picture of me, even though it doesn't have other people in it. It's not going to matter. That's great. So I'll just use this one as an example. So again, ideally the picture you would upload would be a picture of you and the people at the closing table. And you could just say something like, you know, this cute couple just bought their first home, and I am proud to call them homeowners, or something like that, right? Welcome to the neighborhood. And then you would put their name, right? So the way that you do this is you want to make sure that they've liked your page, right? Your business page. So anytime you start working with people, you just want to get into that habit and that practice of inviting them to like your business page, right? And then the way that you do it is you use the @ sign, and then you just start typing their name, right? And so I'm just going to tag me so that it doesn't send a notification to somebody else, right? And so you would put something like that, right? Short, simple, to the point, and then you just come down here and hit publish. And so what happens is a couple things. Number one, it creates this post. So here's your post. And then you'll see right up here, I just got a notification that I got tagged, right? And so that the person that you just closed with, they're going to come over here and click on that and check it out just to see what it is. So, I mean, that's good in and of itself. And then we're going to use something kind of sneaky as well. So when it says welcome to the neighborhood and it's got their name, this is going to tag them and post it on their profile for all of their friends and family to see. And so they're going to see, oh, Kevin just bought a new home, and so that's kind of fun and exciting. Now, once we've got that post up, here's what starts being really cool, is I can come in here and I can create an ad. And I might need to move my camera for a second. There we go, create ads, that's better. Now I can see, we'll move it back down. And so for this, again, what I want to do is I want to reach friends of the people that just closed, or friends of friends, right? So what I'm going to do is I would just come in here, and what I want is I would just want an engagement ad. I do want people to like, comment, and share on this. That's going to be my primary purpose. So I would just call it something like closing with Kevin photo, just so I know what this is. And again, what I want is post engagement. I would leave it at that. I would hit continue. And then the first thing it's going to ask me for is my audience. And here's where things can start to get really fun. Again, using that principle of birds of a feather flock together, I can target people that are friends of my friends, people that have liked my page. So the way that I do that is down here in connections, I can target friends of people who have liked my page. So if my clients have liked my page, right, then the whole concept is I can target those people, right? And so I'm going to use a different page. So here's the one where I just posted that, right? So I can target people that have friends of people that have liked my page. So if my business, if that person I just closed with has liked my business page, and I use this option to target their friends, then all that does is get me in front of those people. Again, remember, birds of a feather flock together. This is one of those ways that you can really dominate a niche. So let's say you do a lot of business with first-time homebuyers. If that's a big part of your business, you can use this principle to have those people actually help you find more first-time homebuyers. You'll find that when you do this with people, the people that you're tagging in the photo, they'll often share it with their friends and family. They'll often tell other people, hey, you need to go check out Kevin, he's the best agent ever, or whatever the situation is in your case, right? So with that, now I'm targeting a huge audience of people. And again, since I'm using a page where there's not much, there's not many people that have liked it, you'll notice that the reach is really, really small. So if I switch to something that has a bigger audience, like my business page, then you'll notice that that jumps significantly as far as the number of people that you're targeting. But just to keep it consistent, I'm going to go back to the page where I posted that photo. Okay, so perfect. Now I've got my targeting all done. I would just go through and edit my placements to put the ad where I want. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on that. And then you'll notice right here that this is the budget. And again, you can put whatever you want for the budget, targeted on engagement, and all of that is great. And then the last step is, since I posted that, that's going to be a post on my page. So I would just simply go to my business page, or that page where I posted it, which was right here. It's going to ask me which post. Here's that one that I just did, right? And then I can run this ad to people that are interested in a home. I can even add a call to action button where people can learn more, or they can send me a message or whatever. So I can even, direct them to my website if I want to direct them to a site where they can find out more about me. But now it adds that call to action button right here. It's pulling in the page name, and that can be a very effective ad for these people that you just targeted. So with that, you would just simply come down here, click the green confirm button, and you would be done. That would be your ad. So that's one way that you can use this. Another way that you can use it is if you've listened or watched the videos where we talk about farming a specific neighborhood, then you'll notice that one of the strategies we talk in there is, again, this evidence of success. The more people see that you're active in the real estate industry, the more they want to do business with you. So you could run this ad specifically to your farm as well. You could have one ad going to your friends of people that have liked your page, or you can have another one going specifically to your farm, so that both of these groups of people are seeing your success and how much you're active in the industry. This kind of an ad is not something that you spend a lot of money on. It's probably something where you would spend, $15, $20 just to boost your reach, just to get more people, get the post out in front of more people. But that would be it. It's just a very effective way to use Facebook to target friends of friends and get more referrals. So that's the strategy. You're simply going to take a photo at the closing. You're going to tag them in that photo. Make sure that they've liked your page. It'll make things a lot easier for you. And then you're simply just going to run an ad with them being targeted in that ad. and it becomes a very powerful way to leverage that relationship into more referrals, more relationships. So that's today's strategy on how to use Facebook to generate more referrals from your closings. Super cool strategy. Again, something that not a lot of people use, and I highly, highly recommend it. As always, you can leave a comment below. Let us know what you like, or if there's a video or something you want us to show you how to do in the future, leave a comment. We're happy to cover that. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Again, we're posting videos like this every single week, giving you new tips, new strategies, ways to market your business online, and really just give you that scalability, leveraging yourself, making it so that you're able to do more business in a shorter period of time for a lot less cost. So again, subscribe below, hit the little bell notification. That will make sure that you get an email notification every time we put up one of these videos. And also in the description below, I'll put some links to some of our training programs and some of the things that we offer. That way you can learn how to use these strategies and the training that we provide to take your business to that next level. So again, thanks for being here. This is Kevin Smolin from 2Q Lead Generation Strategies. Make it a great week, and let's go generate some more business. Take care.